have that feeling when you're trying to install Docker for the first time, thinking it's going to be easy, until you open up a Google search, only to find out it's not that easy. With so much information online, you don't know where to start. Fortunately for you, I'm going to show you how to install Docker on a cloud VM in a few minutes. Once you access into a new VM, the first step is to download an official script from Docker using the curl command, like so. This script is designed to install a Docker on a Linux-based system. You will need to change the script permission using the chmod 700 command. With that permission set, you'll now execute the script to install Docker. As install, I would like to notice that the chmod 700 command gets read, write, and execute permission solely to the owner of the script and revoke all the permission for the group and everyone else. And now the download is complete. The final step is to add a remote user to the Docker group. So you can do this by issuing the following command. By default, Docker requires root privilege to interact with its daemon. So this means the user would typically need a prefix or Docker command with sudo. By adding a user to the Docker group, you grant them the ability to run the Docker commands without the need for sudo. Next, let's log out and log back in. Then, voila, Docker is now installed. That was quick, wasn't it? But wait, don't leave just yet. As a bonus, I will also quickly install Docker Compose on your VM. You can do this by issuing the following command. The last step is to set an executable permission for the Docker file like this. Holy moly, Docker Compose is now up and running. Hey everyone, thank you so much for tuning in. If you found this content valuable and you are curious about dive even deeper into Docker, I've got just a video for you. Check out this next video right here, where we will uncover some of advanced Docker concepts that you won't want to miss. Remember, every click support the channel and help me to create more content for you. Catch you in the next one.